Welcome to our deep dive into Scandinavian interior design, where simplicity meets functionality. Today, we'll uncover the core principles of this beloved style, known for its minimalism, natural light, and eco-friendly materials. Let's start with a brief history, exploring significant movements that influenced Scandinavian design and profiling iconic designers like Arne Jacobsen and Alvar Aalto. Originating in the 1950s in the Nordic countries, Scandinavian design prioritizes functionality and affordability, born from the region's long winters and desire for bright, airy spaces. Scandinavian design is characterized by its minimalism, use of natural materials like wood and wool, and a color palette dominated by whites, grays, and blues. Let's break down these elements. Maximizing natural light is a fundamental hallmark of Scandinavian design, essential for creating bright, welcoming spaces that enhance daily living. To achieve this, opt for sheer curtains which allow sunlight to permeate while providing soft, diffused lighting that enhances the room's warmth. Strategically placed mirrors are also key. Positioned opposite or adjacent to windows, they reflect light throughout the space, effectively doubling the visual impact of natural light. This thoughtful placement not only brightens the room, but also creates an illusion of greater space and openness, embodying the clean, airy feel that is synonymous with Scandinavian interiors. Selecting the right furniture is crucial in Scandinavian design, where the emphasis is on achieving a balance of aesthetics and utility. Choose pieces that blend form and function. Opt for multifunctional, space-saving designs that serve multiple purposes without sacrificing style. Think of furniture like extendable dining tables, sofa beds, or nesting tables that adapt to your living needs while maintaining sleek, clean lines. This approach not only maximizes your living space, but also adheres to the minimalist ethos of Scandinavian design, where every item is chosen with care and purpose, ensuring that beauty and practicality go hand in hand. Accessories in Scandinavian design are understated yet purposeful, carefully chosen to add personality without overwhelming the space. Utilize elements like ceramic vases, simple frames, and hand-woven textiles. Each piece should enhance the room's feel without contributing to clutter, embodying the minimalist yet warm aesthetic typical of Scandinavian interiors. Sustainability isn't just a trend in Scandinavian design. It's a deeply ingrained principle that reflects a commitment to the environment and future generations. Selecting eco-friendly materials that not only reduces environmental impact, but also enhances the quality and durability of your furniture and decor. By choosing these materials and brands, you contribute to a more sustainable world while enjoying beautifully designed spaces that stand the test of time. As we wrap up our exploration of Scandinavian interior design, remember that the essence of this style is not just about creating a visually appealing space, but also about ensuring functionality and simplicity in everyday living. Embrace the minimalist mindset by selecting furniture and decor that embody both form and function, transforming your home into a serene and efficient environment. Thank you for watching our guide on embracing minimalism through Scandinavian design. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful design content. Your support helps us bring more ideas and inspiration to our community. Until next time, keep refining your space and enjoy the simplicity and functionality of Scandinavian design.